Alcohol ink is one of my favorite mediums to work with, and it's great to be able to add different metals to it for just some accents, and it just enhances the whole thing. In this video, I'm comparing Rose Gold Mixative from Ranger with Mind Alloy. They're both metallics that are meant to be used with alcohol inks, but they both have a different look to them. I'm working on some synthetic paper, and I'm using alcohol ink blending solution to move them around. You want to make sure to use blending solution and not isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol will make these go a little bit grainy and just weird looking. So you want to use the blender solution when you're using the metallics. If you don't use metallics, isopropyl is fine. I'm keeping the mixative to the top and the alloy to the bottom, and I'm working on synthetic paper, which is a plastic paper, and I'm using an alcohol ink blowing tool to move the inks around. As I work, I'll add a little bit more of the ink color or the mixative or the alloy as needed. Sometimes you find that it's not necessarily needed, and sometimes you find that it just blends out and gets lost. The mixative will blend with the alcohol inks, whereas the alloy will float to the surface and is more of a leafing metal. So you get two very different looks from these two. The colors are somewhat different when you look at the bottle, or sorry, somewhat similar when you look at the bottle, but they're different when you apply them to your project. So it's great to be able to have so many different choices of additives and metallics that we can add to our alcohol ink and use depending on the look that we're going for.